Yes, we are. I didn't go boy. Who did send me? Obi na catch them na me go boy. Me so me go boy. Who say na go phone na madam so man go go job boy.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
Na go phone na madam so say me so me go here we move fresh. Am I chire for say bi. Ene geni na na keko. Ne ke wi ana ke sa de ni say che na bi bukro. If you have to go we are any piano.
Sure.
So sometimes before I am a normal I am a normal so you won't be a group. Soon I have
why you better say that who foot to be out the member Bruna, Womo Echeyenga, any 1 year, Woma Daniel among boyfona, your best say, who they foot to be mom.
Maybe a foot to a cassette. Youth so man I have youthful. I had the encampment pen say, I didn't go here. You never bomb pie, never slam or then in qua. I attack me before a cheap. Monty, I didn't ye. Me, I didn't come stress. I didn't can me a do not go free her. But the any said to full interchange nothing. 19 years ago, both themselves to say, me can't say, see, we had the end of cranny full of baby, I'm a Pacific battle. So, that much is a cast ask them no.
Yeah, but
say, let's say, Yamia do my had the years, I got a million to pull out because so full out of member,
yeah.
I don't use say, Pija you were Munyam, if Pija is so ready Munyam, and yes, I gave you a cost to be a name. I give you a baby, Yamia don't have Tokoswa, but it's a cardinal Bobby Baba the boy.
Sure.
You say me make it in for Bobby, Timmy, you can say, I give you any ideas to be in say I will be about the sense. They say you never me any alcohol. You never me any alcohol because for my knee in your mind, so I am. It'll be a quick to get my open so a self funny according man because none of that aroma and I may see any baby tea. Yes, you answer Poyano. So mine idea be a woman boy mine. Yes, you try say yes, you'll be able to near the boy. You man,
you better say now because we bottom the boy, say now the boy.
I say, well, we need to catch them say, your door and some of them, and I want to swing in something or put in some. Catch them becoming some 20,000, and I'm the cowboy and I'm doing shoe and the drinks cat.
Oh, you better say, as Antimanda say, or Pimswo that was say, Ghana Mania that was say, we your mambapa, because what did you must soon be saying now, and him say, Yami Beshra, or Beshra business, now the beer, would he be? Amen. You better was say, eh, or why, you know, your car dealer, that is something no Edin common on Pato. Yeah, back one man is Siana, Yene, Honorable Amwakohine, Ashanti Regional Minister, na Yenosu Edin Komo, Sisia on this particular issue. Pato, I didn't see me ruffle.
Hey, yo. What the young for be and to change. I did not be Ben, I somehow can they may David better somehow can and you may you know. Say Nipana wako sadi and Messia Yamedesi Akoseno.
Yeah.
Because Oko interchange one, your cameras be around. And Nipana or Sadi, within a twinkling of an eye, no, you be Winipacro.
All right, so Mammy, hello, Mammy didn't come in Brasses here. Because Yenya a year. Yera a minister, what da a Ashanti regional no honorable Amwakohine. Honorable Wadama, Yama Kwaba for God and country. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. I'm Patrona hot to say.
I'm not here.
Yeah, papa, but as I say, the social media there. What for baby abo? Social media, the one for baby abo. Hey, regional minister Paddy. Engaging the youth. Oh, we are there. In fact, I don't quite mambo abaso. Now, you be so. Then a bawa dream only penny for muhu say. A year interchanger, a wo kumase. Asukwa there, manyan in TSS so for line there, and Chamubaco. The Macquarie drawings be or then what was the motive behind?
But as you see, I'd say, I will follow Mamma, Oma, who the woman. If you feel crying, yeah, do her property from the brother and other fishes. Well, town and the dim pipe and all that. All these identity of, to help the parents to know what is inviting more Emma. And Timaha, as a young regional minister, and I mean, having to have that rapport with the youth, I need to look out for what we can rely on our own human resources potentials to achieve as a region. Yeah, so that I launched a program, city beautification and city greening. Yeah, and somewhere last year, and you started, and you choose to as acquired to Amaga Junction stretch now a pilot project. And it decided as part of Asante Fest 2026 to a street art festival. And value options are one, and you will say no. You have to give it a try at the Asukwa interchange. And this are for price quotations. In fact, you can't think of full quoting. Yeah. Budget to be anywhere is a person. What the Asukwa the Karanika may be a someone, ever $25 million and I compensate completely Kabia. Give it to you, great. Wow. Necessity is the mother of invention. And the fact that we needed to look beyond the fact say these quotations are banned. I visited some few schools. I'm here or more as an American. We say or more artworks from my year from visual art departments. I don't know. We are underutilizing our students, and also we are not bringing them up to the limelight for people to appreciate what they are doing and the talents they do have. And in the I didn't say, yeah, engage you and share the best out of them and see what we can be able to do with them. In fact, no can say what they would that training who question I to say more definitely than to say about because there's also my aquara or never do with them there no. And yes, we had all our fears and all that, but I realized that no, if the president can entrust a big region like this to your care, then you have no reason not to entrust something of this nature to your Maya, your Muna entity. And beyond that, I mean, on assessing the risk, what could happen? Meaning, I'm saying anything, not much for them. Most of them are there. It will be an opportunity for correction and also to correct our Yamano. So I had to psych myself up for all this before we put them up to the test. And I mean, very supporting manner, very commendable. Almost 30 acts, in fact, with the more rough sketches than oh, I didn't appreciate. And the over the media and very beautiful. And I want to thank them and thank their teachers and thank Ashanti region, the corporate society, and the media. We can actually do it. But my politics need to tell you too much in the by a see and Myanmar boy. I written the home solutions and very media say we can do more for our motherland and our country.
All right. Yeah, but I was saying a dream part what they won't pay for most especially you. But I don't know. I will inform you. Most selected say Asukwa interchange. What would be your drawings? You know, and for you know in selection. You know, I don't know how do you go about it because we are told say yes, interchange. You know, a idea o man penyu kufo and a chassis. And people are of the view say, Anka, also the picture, Anka Adia Beboa. The selection process, you know, what went in?
And she was an ongoing project. In any year, as I'm speaking with you now, I'm kind of so home or door. Me, I'm a day at Manokaba in the picture now. And go for some calls, say, I don't know, it's not minister, they buy in the picture now. And I don't see the picture. Omunya was running crying a Jumano. Omuya Jumana will be the car, Nawaka. If not to make a suggestion nowadays, we are open for suggestion. But to criticize a Juma in any idea, my idea, as a open term, a blocking, and also an Emma will be our objective view who say what they are the Papa and the Eka. What you decided is a Ashanti festival. Asante Festival, no, yet, we are looking at our story, our history, our culture. And over drawings in the statue was more of a tool for Sikaja, the Asante unity, your friends, the pouring of libation, the Adinka symbols, and all that.
And to know,
the face of Asante man. So we needed to put him up first. The real who said we need to add national leadership. Now, whether we like it or not, the respect to say me of Akufana Shati and Mbapana and all that. The current face of Ghana, President Mahama, you cannot skip him and draw any other person without recourse to protocol. So we need to put him up first. There is a large section of the presidential gallery. I honor all former presidents in Abeko because you won't just visit and then watch what is it. You will learn something out of it. You will learn our culture, you will learn our national leadership, you will learn from our traditional leadership. And the complaints with premature ejaculation. Definitely, President Kufuor, a former president. President Kufuor, the former president. On the presidential gallery, they are all represented and featured.
Wow, that's an amazing one because it has now settled the dust. Because certain amount for be canon. Now, I say one casano the year a by advertising the president of the Republic of Ghana. But we have per explanation now their minds is here no dear. Me GDP say entiasia but now yen can be shemu and ye hu sa brante bia kwako gina ye mampin emfonyi ho e wo ho na ensam ana wo keka no na mia mete ye mebufu ba makasa ho pa na atisachi ye hu say obi akwako say drawings no asem we beto esi ye no minim say wate na wate ana mombe na mutu afa ho.
But as it is, very unfortunate and crab on journey normally at the fair, the come say na no cray visa a course. Lango Poncha, the general video footage or more analyze it. Unfortunately, not most of really on the blind spot of cameras, almost some analyze. Usually, even who stage and the security experts, they are able to, as it were, tell who is in the probability and all that. And we don't want to overly politicize the process. Media and correct service answers. Say because criticize the media, matter getting the best emotional. No. We want them to be very sure of whoever, however, idea will be, and so that at the end of the day, we would be able to be sure what we are doing. And to be analyzing the video in due course, we will come out with whichever investigation findings that they are. That notwithstanding, and I instructed Asukwa municipal to provide security for the police in the night, in the evenings. And there's been a lot of suggestions in transforming the place more into a recreational zone, sort of to keep the place busy, so that at the end of the day, it may not happen that Ehayudin and Kofaba have the Bonnie and Adidi. So basically, these are the things we are dealing with.
So I branch any video now, me who here or social media, yes, or say a friend Ishmael. Be kind comments now was saying na there will be a can say, Sa Brantino. I was a more friend. And you be on what on sa friend.
And he said, I'm a kind, I believe before no, me died the donor the mouth because they're a kind. You know, say you be see so political arrangements in free one now.
Oh, there be minister. Una the head of Regisec, the Regional Security Council, and you are liberty to take action on this particular matter because it's of a national concern.
And what we have seen here, say Okakojuna president photo and a video. If the security agencies are able to link the video to him, it's not about the law. But until that has happened, I don't want us to be prejudicial in terms of having to working batteries. And Trump said they should take their own time, analyze, and make sure that the right arrest whatsoever is made.
All right, yeah, but I was say, but my man can't just say we are solid, we are brutal. Yeah, be feel brutal. I can yeah, from ABOTCHIE, I ministers need that boy you want to say the boy you are. Yeah, that's easy. Yeah.
Well,
bye. Yeah.
This minister has earned my respect today.
The regional minister.
He has come and rubbish. Excuse me to say.
The
rubbish. A lot of people are saying that guy should be arrested. Not you. Not you.
You are talking
and
to me.
I've corrected it. Not you.
You are talking to
I'm not talking to you.
You are talking to me.
I'm just giving a reference to what is going on.
Ben.
Because when you minister the fact is that we are president picture. I make you comment. Say if there is a link between your call so that police for be energy. But you can't sit here and say that boy must be arrested.
But let me also tell you, there is a link. There is a link.
On what
there
basis?
Is a link.
What link?
One koyesan ko bi koyesa.
You see, what's
there is a link. There is a link.
So you can't say somebody must be arrested. A minister of a regional minister. Security Shana say, say no, we should not politicize this.
Now, am I politicizing?
Yes, once you say the guy must be arrested.
Ben,
on what basis?
Ben me that say. Mama Akwaba.
Prof.
Yeah, Makafu you looking for that.
No follow, Prof. Yeah, my back. But Prof, I think say the first thing is that Ben, and I was saying Ben, and also condemning what the guy said.
With the time, I mean, in Kobo in Brazil, yeah. But also, you're the Ashanti region now. I hear the NPP communications director, Yensa Kanura Poliando. Poliando, I'm patron of what to sing. Paul, that is saying.
Hello, Pacho, you now, sir.
Oh, Paul, yeah, Yamianda Roma, Yehoyapa. Now, Ashanti region, Boko, dear.
Yamianda,
just say, registration, the Mugusu, the day.
Then, Yamia Aduma, support Chomuki, come.
Hey, but now, before I ever call a summon, so now, dynamic kind. A year, Musa Dankwa issue be a story be on the Ababetua Bontin says, yeah, no, I got West Ashanti region, no, and Babu Dudrana, the only extra a year NDC among your Kuromu free party. Sasami Beto J. Why didn't you know on anything?
And you're no correct. And you're no
correct.
Yeah, Musa Dankoya and a car said, I was so if about to now Mutu or Hono. Obano, everything Kunima, a Korea, no Baba Jaman, and winning it. And you're Musa Dankoya.
But so I can be swam and Abemu.
One can be one of them, but Nigeria or Picano are different. And you're Musa Dankoya, as I can say, and we are 4 years to a Mutikato, they are the 600, about 2,500. No, they are happy with it. What is that thing with that? A year to people are about their 5,000. So people 2,000. You really and more and what about 5,000? So I look to be a so much.
Yo, so what can I say? I mean, that's it. But Boyando, yeah, Ecosu Kumase, I want Asukwa interchange. I say, wa, one more draw, a year. Mfonyin ye man penyin fonyin wo ho ye friend saying ye na wo Kumase ohimpon me bo me mu prekope me bo ne din ye na o say tutu ono se ne fonyin e wo ho ne uhwe paintings ya wo ma ye obi akwa se no a na asam we no den na beka fa ho
Kenya dey di kind of ye won niam a e wo region mu what you say? Mr. Mountain job on woman in Rabonting. That is me a more rather than 20, I will be 20 by head. And who knew the woman know your dear back?
Hey, now some we are Ashanti first. We are
something fresh. Now we are French here. And the news, what is the news about? Hey, and I'm going to have people die.
But I'm not going to have I'm not going
I don't know any news, so I am shaming from and crying. I'm a mental pensia. I'm a putting in pensia and one step. After I see I can't tell shall I say, as they so as the air putting back. What you say? I'm money pound. The same interchange in one catastrophe, interchange in one catastrophe. From end to end, CCTV camera is going to have to pop. Like the way interchange, the way you have to do. And no more essential for whom can. Thank you, didn't see another news. I didn't know what way.
News now, I done in a say. One more pentina, Obiakwa say, a young Funibia, a war, and on a news.
80 me back one sister and this is for locate up NHS office.
That's it. News say I can want someone.
Hey, assemble. Hey, maybe the officer will be patient. I mean, the minimum to officer. I'm a who's a move patient. You never be a walk of us again. Voila, I go for the extra and who can. What you say? So, Mungo school goes down in the year. What you say? And on the Aqua woman and woman and draw. Now, the other go to school, I let you a moment coming. On the Wanashi, they will move the Aqua who say one number drawn on why you be. Then I interchange, you know. Interchange the Catracaya present to 4 years. President Kupana, you never will do painting and why you be there in your United.
Now, painting now, painting, you know, and you're fair now.
What you? Painting is overhead here, and the people come who are not set, and yet it's your back here. But now, who what is it? Interchange here, yes, but now who I won't like in our ground, I won't see the camera in our Abu. What is it? That yes, fire, yeah. I want a guide, by this name, you can't, and no, but they know, I know they are shy, no. No more painting, yeah.
Now, for us to say, Nipano say, a painting, no, I was here, children.
The woman with the Pacuadia, another Bonnet is burning, announced it. Bonnet is burning. Bonnet who the Patrona of Costa is at the end of the year. And I will say, and no, over prioritize it against NDC for almost a press conference account. Opia Yaman and Jumaster Uncle Service at NHIS Director. Who are we at this year? Who go school that? What's the Uncle now? What for Loki? I'm a that document next. I'm not going to be renew a insurance. I know the NC will be able to do that. Channel who prioritize it, pay the obedient over 1,000 with ya. Don't question them.
That's one more brand here, Ishmael, Bia, Okujina, Oki Kansan be a far painting, no. I saw MPP name apart. Now, Sabrante Runimno.
India, and someone for 4 times, and someone would yes, and you Unim Afghanistan, Kasua, and the Umbrella Nako, you and I call you. Ono proud, Yatuaba, was he a Kunipa, the bodyguard? The bodyguard, our Kumsia Puno. There was a committee, Afghanistan, Mutaka, Edano. Our model report, you know, but now someone our Bano Kaino, and Yano, and the president of your president of Bico Bentia, and another, and your president of your president. Who Bentico no because of Bentia, and no idea. Maybe I mean, that's a priority right. What you say? Okay. That's a priority right. And Obia you cannot criminalize it. That is why criminal libel law. So Obia Samu of the canon. Put me managing a criminal. There should be rule of law. What you say?
But Paul,
criminalize
Paul, my name is O. A branch and some no kind. Unjini say, I bet you show be kutupa. I'm an asa ako this abonino.
And I only will tell us what I or mine. President Mahamu, One can't the Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Walugu multi-purpose dam, what do you get? And then an brother was there. Yanjẹ́ ti kẹ́bí ẹ̀ máa contracted yà. Ẹ ti sẹ́mu ọmọ akáàdì ẹ̀ máa ta. Yẹ ní pàkàdì ẹ̀ bèbèrè o.
Paul.
Yẹ ní pàkàdì ẹ̀ bèbèrè.
Paul, back
to back. Bàtí ìyẹn ṣe fẹ́ iná apáká àti ẹnu wá sẹ́mu. Ó ṣe àṣẹ. Ẹnu ti ìbí sẹ́ wọ̀ hún à. Lẹ́jẹ̀ sẹ̀ wọ́n ní nà ayẹ. Kèsì ẹ̀yà ọ ní máa ká hún àtẹ̀lẹ̀. Lẹ́bi bí ẹ bá hún à. Lẹ́jẹ̀ sẹ̀ Paul náà akọ akọ yà nà.
Dèbí na sẹ́ nǹkan hún àsẹ̀mbọ́ ni ti sẹ́ diẹ Abrante Ishmael.
Bàtí ẹ̀mí mi kàn ní sẹ́. Ẹ̀yẹ́ bìbí a wo ẹ̀yẹ́ ọ̀fẹ́ no ẹ̀nà ẹ̀bẹ̀yẹ mú fẹ́ ó ti àgbẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ́ ni ẹ̀tí àtàgbẹ̀ bá mu ẹ̀nà ẹ̀nìmú nìyẹn a frankamu akóhìnrín ẹ̀yẹ́ ayẹ́ mpẹ́ nti ẹ̀ka ho asẹ̀m na ẹ̀ma ne kọ̀ yẹ sẹ̀ yẹ̀ka ho asẹ̀m nti ẹ̀yẹ mpẹ́ na asẹ̀m anaasẹ̀ yẹ́ ni ẹ̀bẹ̀ kọ́ akọ́sẹ̀ na we don't have time for that.
Okay,
we don't have time for that.
Mebacho, if you are telling me say you don't have time for that, you know, what can be said? Mona muwa sentimemu. Ena munim die eye regional minister Oramu Akohene eye enye. Nyama bang no eye enye.
As a regional minister here, you are supposed to coordinate the region, agencies, any companies, any ministries that work with the Nimuno, making sure they work for institutional talk. I can get them together. I see one more challenges to me, or how would you among the West getting one flower? There were 43 districts and there were Asante region. Asante region, there were 32 fire stations and there were happy. And 9 penny a year, Juma. What you are there? And you are the regional coordinating minister. And I said, your original type of security, fire service, fire tenders, and 9 out of 32 a year. It's a make up them. A just talk Kumasia, I think a Konongo near and a bedroom light. A bedroom is done. Many a Nicasem. CCTV cameras and one region before a year over 3,000 in Eti way and it's up. Who bet here yet to work a sports authority, stadium rock, no more performance as you might for who bet here yet the any tires, Yama woman near Quack Seasino. What here, who bet here yet in national security for one region move, almost Aquachi will be just a galamse near here, Minister, at the young Mother, and near my Coswano, and money for women, the brother so far, and yet 20 some. And then 2020, there are rare issues. It's so challenging. What do we do? When I TikTok, no, what this one. But one free TikTok, so one it. The MMDC, and report to know or report to know. That is what you are demanding from him.
Now, also the MMDC's report don't find Juma. Now, one report in Libya, Nyama Ewomu on Fanya Juma.
And you've been a mega theory. And also MDE. Well, my country and the NHS officer, and I also want to, and this is what Abba could do. What say, who call for some one? Yes, you see your what people will finance office, the carrier of Penway is doing the public. Oh, Master Jamaican. Atuma will be a jar, no one. Yes, you see, what was a Uram go to Calamte? Well, quite Juma, There is motor case in a limited or your president. DCU, Master.
I don't know, yes, now one Casaru in you.
Surprisingly, no. Surprisingly, no. And this is one other when someone makes it, and this is one other press conference. Wow. And I mean,
okay, Paul, many will but they're painting who is saying a fata bridge in Asiana.
Oh, yeah, I can say, the answer. I am an IFA. There were pressing issues. So we had interchange in the yeah, interchange is there. Cars through what all phantom and prison. 81. What did Palana Bezuas Yachano? Why endanger the life of a Palamo? Mr. Mebawa, and remember the chairman for you, Papa, and she was going to the classroom. About it, and you not check out if you keep on the door. Never any day.
Hey, Napoleon, meet you.
What did I make?
Meet you.
Number 2, as a son is an interchange, you know, red and white, you are home. And the black and white, you are one. A man direct now you to the driver. What I say, I tiny caution to the driver. And no, there was no prioritizer. I was interested in it. And yet, designer, what about the one? Because I interested in design. Driver the driver will be compelled to look at the design, which will serve as distraction about traffic driver and another.
Wow.
Now, yes, I did. And now, accident in our record. He's choosing entertainment over safety. Is that what you are looking for?
Regional Minister not choose entertainment over safety.
Yes, because it's your
Many Apollando, my empire in common in sea, but Nippon or yes, and dear, Kiana King, who said I was here channel.
Yeah, one near my ICT here, I was here watching one near yesterday, I shared the India airport. The daddy of President Akase, we all incorporate to Galamsey. Galamsey, who is in Toronto. As so say, thank you, we are copying. If you are a question in Padia, young Tishi one more Yabuko, Mutino, near Katom, so Muyagal and say no Mutu. Rather than your friends here, let I and the Aqua question was.
Regional Minister Casas, yeah, watch and say, one more a year presidential gallery, a Sukwa interchange, and I say, all the former president's pictures will be there. And no, who is saying?
No, I'm my idea. So I have that, and I know not my idea. I have presidential gallery. You are a center, a work, a wife, a comfort video, a mamma, I have quarter center. Also, yes, not any of it. I have a year. Yes, that's the film. But quarter center, you bet you have to cook, you bet you have to boil, you bet you have to be. Now, it's my bomb, yes, not the city. Yeah, you have boiled of mine, and I have boiled and mine, rather than we know not what you say.
Rapon Yando, I mean, that was in the way. Yamisha, now a bank crime, yeah.
Master Clan, I had in and can't get come after. I couldn't really remember.
Rapon Yando, that's why.
Yamisha.
Hey, Boyando, Ashanti Regional Communication Director of the New Patriotic Party, 97 Edin Common. You try and one, but when we get back from the commercial break, Makafui Ewaha speaks for the NDC. Sasuna Bianca Savinia, the fireman, Watrasi, Benjamin Asari. One not me the Abafine Eddie Bube. Nasa Beno Buyedo. Yakoba, me watch them.
Ghana this my ma. Money about ABOTCHIE. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Ye did you medie bia bae de beboa yankasia brabo. Aye fe ne SOMPA Rhapsody.
The SOMPA Rhapsody.
Ebaso efi ejuada ekosi efiada. Anopa no twia pa mu kosi anopa no ndu pepepe. 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Enti share radio counselors. Reverend Professor Joseph Osafwadu, ye clinical psychologist. Na ye theologian. Awa ben wo abrabo mu nimdie. Eni akosi ABOTCHIE. Ewo radio so. Ejuada ekosi efiada. 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Na ubenya abrabo mu nyansa. Yebema wo de wanamo asisiye. Se bibi mpo na ekoso wo abrabo mu a. Wonnim ne esesa wo ya. Eya atie na yentufo. Ewo SOMPA Rhapsody so. Na wo de wanamo asisiye. In a world filled with pressure, emotional burdens, broken relationships, and silent struggle, SOMPA Rhapsody emerges as a timely and transformative radio counseling program designed to bring healing, clarity, and hope to individuals and families. Ente ya mwanka samudia ye pesa abrabo ne ye mrema ye pesa wodi nimdie ebobra ye pesa esiwie ente shanonso ejuada ekosi efiada 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. anopa bia netie SOMPA Rhapsody na wabrabo ebesesa SOMPA Rhapsody ye die ni daso abro SOMPA Rhapsody
the SOMPA Rhapsody
wo radio counselors chen so mo bebo 21st Clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no when nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho teche ma eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma je no wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na no nso na wo mu bi the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a 21st Clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and a besan ya no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eya sciatica and a stroke nso de kwa. Diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. Enkran ha. Se ye wo Tantra Hill roundabout. Se wo free enkran eba. Ye wo won sani fa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a. Won sabonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st Clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Ebra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bagi.
Bra, aden. Enen so biem.
Hey, time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba akun. Ane wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya. Esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya. Me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma o. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada a woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa. Se o peta meba mixture enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Ene herbal shop dodo na emu.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako.
FDA aji ejodi enkratu yi atum.
Hi, you're from me Abna Ruthie. From Monday through to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Shame, I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Made SOMPA Delight. Bro, SOMPA Delight a social entertainment program. Ebema entertainment, information, and education. Onia, sawati de wahoni nadida. Afi, and anya dance no eba. SOMPA Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be some Frobi. Nakashane say, Abna Ruthie, I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Na ode SOMPA Delight, bro. SOMPA Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
Hey, medo. Edrano pa wutimi to boase. Echichiwusi o. Ado. Na so ni se medie. Me the yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka. Sentina ye bokoi. Na medie me all-time favorite. Eye yas herbal toothpaste and the brush. Abua me ama say menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia. Me semfimfem me biem. Na wonhwa se mesi aye fita sesrecha homa. Na eti brightens. Yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush and then me do shimmy. And then I was seeing fee. Na yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ni dear. Ebo was some who buying. Demu ni na. And ma wonu ye sham. Oh yes. And do yas herba, yas whitening, and the yas total care gel toothpaste, and then the brush. I was young chamfa. So we pedudu to a one crying ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahudo abebu 21st Clinic yes 21st Clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international international awards ahodo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso wo de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baabi a wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert
tontonte yenum nsa ne efa adwen ne efa adwen ampa se na nim se bre bi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye adru tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho dendenden tontina 74 yinso ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 se mennom tontina 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apomuden ko a woko pharmacy ana baabi eto nwo bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkrato yi atom
Abushafo yam mamunyina akwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country Jumedido. So we are back in studio. Makafui, the special aide to the MP for Domi Kwabenya, Honorable Akurugu. Watana says also na Benjamin Asari, so Ekasama, the New Patriotic Party, is a national communication team member. He's also here. But the interviews are me, you know. I think there are some few comments here. Quickly, let me run through them. Makafui Kluche says that more fire. Holy rich boy. Wow, look at what somebody's dad is saying. Hey, Philip Afia says that, Then holy rich boy comes again. Please, is that an answer to the question? We are waiting. We are waiting. Okay, and Bushafo, we need some of the comments. APMO, your Facebook wall. We also betting up bombarding alcohol. Na wamayate wonka. Koma yedi wa henina. What do you make of it? Abranche na or make those comments. Are the chain ya? You can say. Your paintings are painting. You know. Unsusu ya na saying. I was here. Chira na say ni kwan say. Ye chino. Chira wa drink. Ewo assembly na on our socials right here on Facebook and of course on your YouTube. Maminka o say. Nyame adom ochina ye be free dental screening menemo kase Pepsodent ene SOMPA akabom na dwumedi ne bekoso ebo SOMPA FM premises haya Watermelon Street na kai say china is going to be all day and you know we akwenya nkase a SOMPA FM ene Pepsodent akabom a ye de ebre want you know kai say ochina de free dental screening brana behwe wenum brana behwe wonsen say problem be ewo ho ana na maminka say harvest praise no so ade abeba so on the 3rd of April 2026 our first love center our East Legon enumre no 9 na dwumedi na sha say enumtufo aba dwumedi ase Tego sisters the anointed PSA Esther and the youthful team Eternity Ghana and I have a Green Harvest Gospel Choir na you be praises and you be worship na kai say 1 year ebe lead the drama performance you know you be ichira kakra wo ho na kai say a harvest theater and the worship angels na kai admission free you untueske bia but they also here nyina na say we be for tetefun ni sesia no one register bomoding na for tetefun na bo *725# Oh, I beg your pardon. Star 725 star 1155 hash. Not just a Jumedi. Now, Oswaba Bekan Honasa. Mamin Cabio say, Jaws bread and pastries. Abri almost on Rado Conoton. Mamuko ye, weekendy. Mamube and Shemu, a weekendy. Dokuni, Bomodina Tubi Nafako ye. A month fast at here to be at the young programs. A Kama Papa Dokononia Moton Kama. 3 CDs per ball. Pachope Bia Toa. Bomodina for the Jaws Bakery. Ewo Domi Commercial Bank Nechiwa. Now, Obetimati or Mahumanum, Ewo 025 6068832. Na maminka bi say tontina 74 so awie wo mo boy chidom kese pa ye dudro na ye dundubina ne hahan na aye anopa obobi anwumre no wabobi hye no so say wo yoba wa fefru anye maw na wo ma koda no for so anye maw na kai say abofra wonya ndi 12 years so anye ma no adenti na wo so odnomo e wo so tibi bon ho ban afi yade ho na yade a eye yare kwankro a e be che wo dan che wo da sempo e bi a chew say wo ti wo na wo bo wa kpoho wo liver wa hra no brebom anya problem ba wo bu nsa na de amane ne atete brew be ma ba wo kase nipa ho ana nipa na twi ne ti akọ ekire be ma wo jinso yiya ana wo bu na ehye wo utena sika utena ka mu ka ne doctor ankasa kasa 024 6073498 again 0501628 open the dudro mu a bomodena for we ni kire o kan si drug lane e won kran ha wo kumase a ye Aston calling herbal na maminka o said 21st clinics boy chidom kese pa yare a your friend is sciatica ya wo mu ye champion say mpono nam ho na wo nan mu twetwe wo say fa otumpo mu afri usisi ho pie we chikase na wo sire mu atwe wo na wo ntimi nante wo je ho angia kai say sa yade no any your friend is sciatica 21st clinic ngwa na hu sa yade no wo motime hu aduro me ba chon kran ha wo hwe 21st clinic a wo ma cha kwan wo Tantra Hill runabout tema wo mo Roman asondan na echi wa say wo hwe mo kaso a wo mo new market wa adwamono mu wa and so Marcy, baby, SOMPA FM war ever here overseas, no, a one over who 21st clinic. So, was Sunyania, Womani regional hospital gates, no, first gate, no, and I didn't share no more. Tachiman, one more unkind a year GN Bank, a dynamo, and Kransa Susum Bank, Quadra Park, Children's Park, no, Takwa, Womani Roman stores, and they didn't share no more. What Takra Diatini? If you come on over 9 Texas station, one more offices and a clinic in B. I will Brekum, Gosso, or Boise. Over to the 21st clinic for Wedding Come on 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Not Wababa Cage Mediano. Makafi, Makwa baby.
Yeah.
What's your command? You do a Hassi. Many regional minister, Casa, Sasana, many a rapport, young dog, Ujinama, MPP, Amanukuno, so Akasa. And of course, you've also heard my side and a bit of Ben out to you on the side.
Yes.
What do you make of the story?
Prof, they kind of match with you for Nina. Now, my son's which MP for the Honorable Eliklima Krugone, the MC, Honorable Edmond Dagbo. Now, Prof, the story, I think, say, first of all, no, your first interview with regional minister, no, or display a lot of, maturity. In communicating the issues, and I think we should commend him for this very ingenuity and I said this initiative or they are putting in place to make sure say me beautify the main city of Kumasi. And the interesting thing is that it comes at no cost to the government or even to the regional coordinating office. We remember say maybe a trade you bear 25 million for this same exercise in Accra. Bear 25 million Ghana cedis for this.
And no allegation. It has not been proven.
It's been proven. I mean, it was money allocated to the Creative Council for this purpose, and we've seen, we saw some painting in around some places in Accra, and if the regional minister, through his thinking and ingenuity, can bring young people on board to do this, I think he should be commended for this very noble exercise. And then for the young ones too, this is will be like very proud moments for them, because imagine a young person, relatively 17, 18 years, and you have your painting on a national, a national infrastructure like that. When you are passing by any time, you have that sense of pride. And anytime your country calls on you to do something, you know, you will be confident enough, say you can do whatever the country calls on you to do. Now, honorable, in your opinion, sometimes you see the comic relief, that he comes with, I think it gets overboard sometimes. You know, some of the allegations that why I say, I mean, how does this thing even impact saying people in Ashanti region? I think it's something that, you know, I mean, all over the world, street art is a thing that people love to see and do. Okay, so the question again is that some time back, IET had 25 million for the same exercise. How did it help anybody? You understand? And I mean, the point that say it would distract even drivers who are using that road and then even cause accidents. I mean.
You mean what? That's not there's a bit of truth in it.
If there's anything below the belt, this is far below the belt, because there is not any research anywhere that shows that street art has contributed to accidents anywhere in the world. When you go to the US or wherever, you see street paintings all over. I think he should rather comment. You see, there's something about the NPP and the Ashanti regional minister. I won't try everything possible to run him down and the things he's doing. This is a very young man. He's putting down very good initiatives to uplift the region and then bring it to the standard that is deserving and commendable. So anything he does, the NPP tries to, you know, find a way to rubbish it or to punch holes in it, and I don't think that is the way to go. Adebakwa a higher mind be excessive partisanship. You see, only idea be whether NPP or NDC or say, yeah, you have the right to. You can easily say it's good. Okay, you don't have to strongly align with your party and then try to rubbish what the other party is doing. And so this attitude of the NPP, they try to find, you know, faults with Honorable Frank Amakohene. I think it won't help them. Okay, he is doing well. He is trying so hard to put the region on the map and giving the region a needed facelift. So I think that you should rather support him on this course and not try to, you know, rubbish him and do whatever. For the young man who did that video, for me, part of me tia part of say on His Excellency John Dramani Mama and could see interchange ni be one crew na moon painting ne picture also. I mean that is too bad for our country. Now that's the point I was coming from. Say I was say Honorable Senior Ben, it's in condemning the statement. Okay, he should condemn the statement. And for calling for his arrest, if there is, like the regional minister said, if there is any linkage between what he said and the actions that happened thereafter, he should be invited by the police for questioning.
But you feel there is a link between what the Okaye and the action that take place?
I feel there's a very strong link. You see, there is something in law. You don't say things just like that and then you think that you can get away with it. You know, even when the police are investigating a crime, they rely heavily on circumstantial evidences. So the things that have happened, around the action, the police relies on those things to come to a conclusion or come to a point whether the crime has been committed or not, or if the person has been involved in the crime or not. And so there's a strong linkage. You cannot go there and make those kinds of statements and then go away with it, you know. And the interesting thing is when he did our video, the next day or so, that was yesterday, me say Oma painting former president Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. So it tells you that the project is still ongoing, and the regional minister said that there will be a whole area for former presidents to have their paintings on the interchange. And so that was not necessary at all. I mean, we cannot build a country like that. We need to get to the point where we accept our differences, and also when we see something that is going on well, we can commend whoever initiated it, whether or not the person belongs to our party. So yeah.
Mami na say makafui better say, but mami call some birthday dedications here, and I remember Benjamin Asare and Cheng. Now the first one I have over here, before the dedications, say who celebrating your birthday today, a happy birthday. Okay, so Mrs. Efwa AD Amwa. I take that again. Mrs. Efwa AD Amwa. Today it's your birthday. Former regional director for Bunu East Region. Education. Today it's your birthday, Mama. Mama, you are missed so much. Happy birthday to you. We pray for God's guidance. We pray for God's protection for you and your family. I ask that the grace of God rest upon you. I pray that the favor of God locates you, your children, your husband, and your entire household. Mama, today as you're celebrating your birthday, it is a birthday wish that is coming from me, your son, Kobla Abuchi. I was your original PRO. Mama, the love is too deep. And it's also coming from Gabi and then Sadiq. Mama, we say we love you, we cherish you on this day. Happy birthday. Mama, Efwa AD Amwa, Mrs. Bakope. Hey, Holy Ghost, no, Holy Ghost. Mama, Holy Ghost. Yeah. Mama, you feel. Mrs. Efwa AD Amwa. Once again, happy birthday to you. Former Bunu East Regional Director for Education. Happy birthday to you. Now for the second one, it's also a brother who is celebrating his birthday today. That's an amazing brother. Now I am told say was also a year SARFO and ewi yema awodapa Mr. Anai of Obuasi. Mr. Anai of ewo ewiase ha wabai nyame ma wonsanka na nyame mbo ho ban na ade bia wo hia bia no onyema wo ena ya awodai eye pastor Apia Kujo say omao awodapa. Another birthday message also going out to you. We are free eye yenua Bema Bright, the executive producer for God and Country. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM in Accra. Na aya Bryce and Kancho say, "Wama happy birthday." Na yefra Mensa JB. We a business tycoon. Na yenya Bright say, "And now we do our day. Wama happy birthday." And Empire boy nyina another say, "Adebe na nyame adom no embra so." And you know, aya ora Mensa JB. We a business tycoon. Bright entry our producer was SOMPA 106.5 of Accra say Omao a happy birthday. Now mamin call a Benjamin Ncheng. Ben mamin tiwe
Abochi.
Yeah.
Mencha ausron kona mencha ahwefo ne etifo a omo agebre etie enanwumre na mencha minua makafu nso. I think this is the first time Michiano, such a gentleman pa onye rude to say omo aka no ohia omo ana.
And told the makafu to two one agent pa.
Oh, agent is me.
Or agent so.
Agent is me. Agent is me cry. Agent is me.
Yeah. Now ono so to me ho.
Why ya?
Makafu we dey to me ho.
Now so agent is me dey. I say o dey o yes no better 10 times. Iti abochi so wa okay dey. O person ya na ko pass mama wie. Me so me nya madre some person nu nya some. Ya makafu no ntra ne baby. Omo legend ntra ne baby. Misrewa.
Sir Abrante obume yi ba. Na odi makafu tutu senior Bright so we.
Enti no mechie tiefo no. Mechie tiefo na mechie senior Bright nso. Em say me hu na che enti senior mechie o. Abochi. Ensem trefo na nsan ye ntem wase yi o. Mumma ensem bi a ekokokoko so no ya ba ye nokre wo krumu anu. Because we have pertinent issues, important issues.
But who tells you
important? Yeti wo memu e.
No, you tell me this one is not
Yeti wo memu e. Enkwala ebre. Empanimfo obre. Eya me no wo ka say market women for bre.
It has always been
drivers for ebre.
It has always been
me no wo ka say nurses and teachers ebre.
It has always been
me no wo ka say cocoa farmers ayetu a omoka 3,625.
I'm telling you, it has always been the case.
2,500 a omusu ebi wu ebi di arewo ayetu o mamu ha ebre. Hairdressers ebre. Baba for esu because doom so asaba me no ka say 2 days of anchor barrier me nya light baba fo e wo ho baba fo e wo ho ensu hairdressers fo wo ho ensu what hanom maye mekasa wo se ya kwa penti eye kumase so am interchange enti yemra meka ho asem na obi a making a comment wo se ye nkwa nkoche no is it not very sad situation?
Let me respond.
You are responding to who? Me?
Yeah, let me respond.
I don't know respond to
Nyabotre. Because wonkasa wo kan yesisi ano. You want to trivialize this platform, which I will sit here and say
I'm not far from that.
Wait.
Far from that.
Wait, Nyabotre. Because you can't tell me, say, there are other issues of prime importance that we'd have to talk about. And this one is not important. This is a national program. It is happening.
So are you telling me doing so in your national program?
National, equally important. All the issues you have raised, some issues are very, very important. And the one we are talking about is equally important.
Paint.
It is not a paint.
It's about what?
It is about the sense of patriotism. The sense of patriotism.
Oh, God.
Oh, sorry, who kind of national pledge? Who to the national anthem? Where is that sense of patriotism? Do we pay lip services to in someone and what the national pledge and the national anthem? This is equally important. So let me take a listen to you.
You see, I'm also telling you.
Yes.
And I'm not rubbish or poo any motive for or topic I discuss.
Sure.
I'm telling you, say, with this topic now, to me, other important issues to cause I wish, sir.
So you are jumping the gun. This is only one of the issues. When you say what hear me, introduction now, I made mentions of our 3 issues under discussion, and this is the lead one. So after this one, we'll go to the other ones and discuss.
You see,
so what's your problem?
I have a problem with you today, because my problem with you today is you have what's na. I'm making comment. I catch the say Yanchi will be Yanchi MC Ishmael. Say Yanchi and say Wako cannot drain. Wakana drain ewo kumase into what he has say Yanchi no and I make catch say so we making emphatic statement wa hanuma and you're wrong because yatina krum hold on pacho one man me time me pacho wa
at this time no me na me moderating
when I moderating me mami flow
anti sreme
Mr. Mami Fro Kakra. Pachawa, Mr. Mami Fro Kakra, Adaroba. Time no dear Yodia. Time Nina Yodia. Wama me Kakra, no other Mami Flo Kakra. Abochi, near me person me challenge say. Adiana ya wo kumase interchange ho no so am interchange. I will be akwa say no. Enya dia me ni pakro ya adwen one bit kra. Because ya de se wo mpeu a national monument, and you don't have any right. So we temper with. And my problem is we have CCTV cameras around the interchange, which the minister has alluded to that to say we have it, and the security expert and your footage of those people are so meaning say obi okoye sadia ni bia na yade ayede ne ba be famra kwanso. Me problem wa me want to say MC Ishmael onye boni bia for now I betimi establish wa ha say wa committee crime to SS ye che no say ye ka say ye chi amanfo dia ke nipa bebre ka president Mahama Kraba na ese ye che no president yewura president John Dramani Mahama ka by now SS ye che no
why ye den president
ejina hanu aka kire ye say ye galam say na e say yensuo e ku nipa no wonim the kingpins omo no na ye campus omo ya akesefo a omo hechira omo ya galamse no na nya nkwala na omo wo piti num no
okacha oh baby also okasa sometimes you invite me into the conversation.
No problem.
Asabra wo kan na say your man penyin what is ya John Mama o say I was so much no
yes say ye chi obi I want the comment
nwa nyabotre o say okan say onim kimpins no
yes o say galamse na e koso no onim kimpins no na nkwala na omo kopiti no mkope bibia bedi na ya chi wo di wo akwa fiase no enye wo na ese ye di yanisi wo so na ye chi wo na rare campaigns no e wo ho no ese ye chi no
na de
bi oba ye ho na wa chi no
nyabotre say o say rare campaigns no wo ho a e wo say ye chi wo a did the president say emphatically say onim sa campaign.
Yes. Na me no
campaign
platform so
say onim omo.
We know the campaigns. Why are you running from this?
No, I have not heard. You have heard.
The president said it and it's all over. And videos are on social media attributing the president to say, or making emphatic statement to say they know the kingpins. Mene kasa sisia president asa akwadia to mu UN say when nim nkrofo ankasa ye galamse ni bi nkrofo ye galamse enti galamse ne kono ababa be ye den na wudi mu nkrofo omo ye galamse dia ada na afo mu ndu edi ntudwa wa unia obi ane wo mahene kwamna sante e kan wasempa FM say yewura president so wonim NDC fu a omo ye galamse ni bia he should name them omo din ne ye ba mra ne wo nya dwuma enti si ye bi obi ate no wo mamu a say wa make statement bi a essential police invite no for investigation ka president John Dramani Mahama yewura president but now eseka ye invite no into the security services so o may assist for information adentia because Wobia Kanasem now say no dia. Then the president is as well as a woman being a Ghana first. We should arrest him too. So Yemia MC Ishmael Wakwako Kanasem Nasa one nyadwen. Send your minister Nikaya Messi for the first time I name respect no because was say if say Minia Ishmael Asamna Wakaya no say any link to Nipada or Koko say Adiana or Maya Nedia, then the police will deal with him. That is how it should go. Because what says here, you don't have any basis. See a Belgian associate and fan coaching Pakro. Because as someone I can't President, I want to yet.
I've just done a search. And the search says that not exactly, not exactly in those words, that he knows the kingpins are. President Mahama has never made a clean, direct statement in the form of I personally know the Galamsey kingpins. However, the body of his statement in opposition and in government creates a strong accountability trail that amounts to much the same thing, Ben Uti. What he said in opposition. When NPP was in power, the then opposition NDC was vocal in labeling specific personalities as the perceived kingpins of illegal mining activities, making it a central attack against the Akufo-Addo government. The NDC's campaign heavily implied they knew who the culprits were and would act when in power. On the campaign trail, President Mahama, candidate Mahama, reportedly pledged that when he came to power, he would go after the kingpins rather than arresting young men in the pits, and even indicated he would release illegal miners who had been arrested. And to say what said in common, one can say onim the kingpins.
It's never true.
No,
I have a video here.
I have searched my searching in
video.
Because President Mahama said that, listen, the bottom line, Mahama has essentially said in government that kingpins exist. They are known. They include people in political circles, including his own party. And they have never been caught. Okay, now, I'm trying to... Wait. I'll give you the fair analysis. The logical follow-up question one would have asked, one that journalists and the NPP minority are pressing is, if you know who they are, why haven't you named and arrested them? So when we want to conclude per the section, in fact, there was a statement like that.
Yes,
okay,
because it made us send a me ba hanu wadaro ma will show you ntimi me kan sem bi emfa ho ni abra abochi tie adwam nti se ba ha ne ye kan bibia ye nim ne ye ka
okay
and now one will be able to say asem na make wa ha na president making emphatic say they know the kingpins into omo ba omo no omo be call after them na nyi omo compete num kope bibi kakra ebedi it is a president na make such statement na so aba Ghana for enya omu gidie ato abama based on onsemo a wo kan they expect you say oba ye no 1 year 3 months no that kingpins na omo say yensu say your forest no by now no ki yetimi ache wo mu nyina ye nchi wo mu nyina kora na ki yache binum a wo mu gina court. It's president, no, by now, me no can say, you are John Dramani Mahama. By principle, they can't someone, he should be arrested because of that statement now, or make it, you know. It's Mr. So we'll be making statement. Now, you know, if it's a statement, and then you legal process, you firm near the Nipano, because my problem is say, yet, ya hubi, and you see, you do be picture, ebeto, TV so. Say nipa no wa obechi bia no ye ni say ade eche ye na say nipa no ye kuno ye linke no to nipa na sem o kotena radio station e kan ye say wono na sem o kan ye no e na ma nipa no sebe o hwere ne nkwa enti say wo bi ka say MC Ismail wa ye bone so he should be arrested na say me ka say me ni nipa na nyadwena. These are my basis enti am ni nipa no enyadwene enti mesra ye wura amoakohene Ninsemo a okeka e Ashanti region no eno ana ama this national monument and as a national project oye no akwa political because se wo betrans na wo ye minister president representative e Ashanti region now see 8 years of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. There is no project in Ashanti region you betimi attribute to MPP administration in 8 years. What do you expect? What do you expect people to also say about project I want to hear? Me no can say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was in university wo Kumasi. Mo akohene wudim handing over note to Ayedema our district one wudim say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was in hospital was in university wo Kumasi. Me no can say wudim say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was in judges bungalow e wo Kumasi. Nice one at the my judges e yade a yewura mo akohene wonim. And so what me be wa no kase Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni 8 years administration wa nye bibia wa Ashanti region me ne wo kase from Aguna Bipua Junction at the Kopim Yamuase etwam wo Kokoti asua everyone mo abefa buanim ebepie manso mampon asphalt Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na ye and so ohene yenwia ohene Kumasi Ashanti regional minister say we need one project obetimi a link to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni 8 years in office. Is it fair?
All right.
How do you expect people to also come together? Say we here bibia almost be embrace adena wo ye no. Near Kasa Ghana first, Ashanti regional first. Na sa we partisan statement say ya. E better na wo ye no obi so country say. Okay, president John Ajekum Kufuor and the sea interchange no. Now onim omo amani heat na kan you okeka wa anyina oboa.
Oh sir.
Oh ka presidential way na say wo no oboa ka ma.
Hey, we are sure.
Oh men Canada. Or your press conference. Extra ade omo be ye ho. Meboa. Press conference did he made mention of any past president or say ye wura wotumfo and a kroni ya ne dia. Enti ye de ya amane ne amamre e ba begu interchange na se. San wo ka kire ye enti no obi akura nim say Ashanti history and e ba ho because tumfo ba the history of Ashanti even the past chiefs kings omo aba Ashanti region kura e beto aso ye hu ya nso de ye wura president atato and am for yes minister na adwemboni abadi
David Nyabote eno na how ana
o say
president
Hamida say ye the president the number 1 gentleman of the land na ye bibi of national interest near the president din beba beta ho and the picture beba beta ho enye me yada because we need to respect authority and we need to respect the first gentleman of the land esi arrested no because he is the eye of this country enti enye me yada say president John Dramani Mahama ya de ne beba beta bibi ho e be ha de and seminar territory no yeti kromu ha ye wura Kufuor e de Kufuor bas e painting ho eye ne picture e wo ho e de ensem na NDC anka wo kromu a omo ka sa ade ne emfa former president John Lawrence din enka bas na ye wura Kufuor a painting no Kufuor bas no ade no onfo mo nka ho na ne etwa mu na ano no enye na se ne bi si a sa ade na eye esese ye kamfo se sa ade no eye ana enye mami mesre no on sit down send your man for cano, and we are unum stage, echo Kumase, echo coastals, Omunam Yina say, Kumase, Ashanti region, Dum Sono Cradia, west. I didn't know how address it to that issue.
All right, Mabina Wasi. Benjamin Asari, he speaks for the New Patriotic Party, always on fire. Thank you so much. 21st Clinic, the sciatica patient, sciatica yarende, Bomodina Hiromi, Amia Druma, Ayochina, SOMPA FM, Iowa Crab, Yene Unilever, Pepsodent brand, no Akaboom, Ochina, Yamia Druma, free dental screening. I think but ultimate camp bombarding Ochina na bra SOMPA FM ha na beka edwumadi no na Harvest Praise no so de dear baso 3rd April 2026 na baba koso Love Center East Legon on DSK bia but they also engineer ne obe dial *725*1155 hash na waka edwumadi no ho baba ka cho say weekend dey uye nhemudie bia obe hia just hot kenke the kenke dey come pa 3 series per ball ebeboa na ayotontina 74 dudu mu dudu come papa T74 unuma obo ho ban fi yade ho dem pono yare kwankro bi so akyerew wa nkwa body na petontina 74 weni adwumako amaso yasere ma mentie makafo
Prof, my advice is more air conditioner. I don't pay back count because
I don't heat never.
See that been fire no.
Fire no so. I will warm more.
Oh, Debbie. I mean, it's good. I mean, opposition there, we've been there before, and we know how it feels like. But say pan on person in opposition, in the power in the next 50 years so, because opposition there with you have to be very factual with the things you say. As I say, you have to be very factual. And yeah, opposition tonight, maybe now want to know. You see, the annoying thing is MPP all of a sudden, they think in just 1 year, the Ghanaian people can forget all the things that they put us through in just 1 year. Oh, so Senior Ben, there's a little advice, you know, when you come on these platforms, I beg. We have to be a little factual because we are educating the public as well. What I say?
Jitum.
Oh, I mean, for what reason? I mean, when you read even the Constitution, the president has immunities. You understand? So, what are you arresting the president for? The president has immunities. You understand? So, what are you arresting the president for? And the point is that all cancer no now or shifting focus on tackling Galamsey from the top. I think the president has shown genuine commitment to fighting Galamsey. You get it? He has shown genuine commitment to fighting Galamsey. And maybe a train mono, yet say party ni cry hinska, into a party no, efforts to say go debate policy of the party in government at the time to make sure there are people get involved in Galamsey because the party needed money. But today that is not the case. We have seen a genuine commitment towards the fight against Galamsey. Okay? And so if the president even say let's chase or let's go after the campaigns of Galamsey, it's a genuine commitment to the fight towards Galamsey. It means that he's not ready to defend anybody. You see, it's unfortunate our younger brothers or colleagues who have to find themselves in their minds in very risky circumstances or in very risky environments to mine, usually or more often than not are not the real people buying the excavators, the chamfans and everything. They go there to have to get something for survival. And the president's comment on getting the campaigns or arresting the campaigns shows his genuine concern to fighting Galamsey. It's not like some time back when it was a deliberate policy of the party in power to get their people to get involved in Galamsey because they believe that the party needed money. No, this time round, this president is not shielding anybody. And even in recent times, what is recently, Yoko had to invite no meaner person than the Echo had to invite no meaner person than the vice chairman of the party of the National Democratic Congress and also the national organizer of the National Democratic Congress because of alleged involvement in Galamsey. It tells you that this government has a strong will and a strong sense to fighting this menace that they under them, no, they sat down, presided over for things to get worse. Under them, they sat down and then they presided for things to get worse. Today they turn around and make it look as if they are holier than anybody. After all, it's to me the Ashanti Regional Chairman not standing trial in court for Galamsey. He is standing trial in court for Galamsey, and so the president says that we are going after the campaign. It's to me not one of the campaigns we can identify. So what is he talking about?
Okay, and so you believe, say, some president can say they know the campaigns, you know? Omubaya, Sabri, Omachre, won't to me, wono FAC, trial, no dear. Not just the president was justified.
He was justified because he mentioned, I mean, to me, it's a big man. He's standing trial for in courts for Galamsey.
Okay.
You understand? But you see, you cannot also run to courts because of hearsays. We need to develop and build a case. And that is how come the Attorney General is being very diligent enough. He's not even running on hearsay, say, oh, this is involving Galamsey, so let's go and arrest him. We are not in a banana republic.
All right. I mean, now I said, but there's this issue. Your man paying or two or the new jet and echo. When we say minority, no, raises some concerns. One more invoke certain articles in the 1992 Constitution, talking about 284, 287. What do you make of that issue?
Prof, I think when President was sworn into office, for a very long time.
You have just 3 minutes to do that.
For a very long time, the presidential jets, it's been out for routine maintenance. The repairers or the in France that they couldn't meet up with the timelines and schedules for bringing back the jets, and so President has had to rely on Ninia Ibrahim Mahama jets for the best part of his travel since he assumed office in 2025. Now, I don't see the point, or I don't see what is materially wrong with that, because you see, in times past,
they are citing conflict of interest.
You see, let's read. I'm happy, sir, you are relying on constitutional articles to make a point, or they are relying on constitutional. So Article 84, 284, it says that conflict of interest. A public officer shall not put himself in a position where his personal interests conflicts or is likely to conflict the performance of the functions of his office. Okay, the framers of the Constitution, the understanding behind this is that the framers, I mean, the framers of the 1992 Constitution, this aspect of the Constitution, they say you shouldn't put a public officer. That's when we say you are going to get involved in a contract or something. You cannot put yourself in a position now when say somebody would benefit that you have that connection with. Okay, so I don't see what engineers and planners Sana Ibrahim Mahama stands to benefit by allowing his brother use his own jets. I don't see what monetary benefits he gets. It's not like in times past.
Because of that, I bet you actually the amount of contract.
What contract? Is there any contract we are discussing?
You think there is no contract and Ibrahim Precis here?
There is no contract that we know of that he is relying on his giving the jets to his brother to get. There is no contract we are aware of. What they talk about his takeover of the Daman field.
Sure.
You understand?
That's what I want to be.
I mean, the taking over of the Daman fields, it's something that predates even this government. The negotiations to take over the Daman fields, I shall say before the brother Ebedi president. It started in 2022. We are all aware, say, Goldfields currently operates the Daman fields. And if you are very much involved in this mining industry, you say EMP, a mining contractor for Goldfields. And see, Daman fields, EMP now mining as a mining contractor for Goldfields. And see, we know, say, in I think in 2025, last year, right? The EMP, Goldfields agreements, the lease agreement with the government, for 30 years, it's coming up. It's coming up. And the Goldface is going to hand over the mines in no time, and so EMP has expressed interest in taking over that mine. And so the point of the minority that President Ninia jets, I mean, so what is the cheaper option? What is the option they are given?
Okay, so
should he rather rent a 15,000 hour jet like what the former president was doing?
Okay, I mean, now, Ben, let me hear you quickly on this.
Abochi, and as you see, the hypocrisy of NDC, and none of the biano, Emma or mine, ye koyechi. Meanwhile, Galamsey, who was say, President, no, watch it untimi because untimi pair ne west. Not just a untimi, one of the campus, meboa. But untimi, and now President John Dramani Mahama, refer no to Etua. So watch it untimi, campus and on Tese, Galamsey, Yaja, and Kosubium or Memuana. We were campaign, no yachano, which in our court. Inti Kempi ano oya Galamsey.
He's one of the kingpins.
Inti na president no nim one pe. One, only one. You want to me pe. Not just I'm very disappointed in the president. So we make such statements. Campaigns no, and one can say campaign you. Or say campaigns. We know the campaigns. Inti me nya ba akope. And ne waba ama Galamsey ati se wo mamua. Se wo bie ya Galamsey ene Abochi read my lips. And I'm saying this on authority. Everybody doing Galamsey in this country NDC. From top to down, obi a oye Galamsey e wo kromo ha bia ya NDC because say enye NDC for na ye Galamsey ne dia. But now no, the president has to put a stop to it. And don't forget to say Yenia Sam George eka say president bia obeye na dwen so obe fight Galamsey no o here just not less than 2 weeks and what they are fighting Galamsey. Now say resource the military, the police and the other security services within 2 weeks you bet me and the Galamsey wo mamua and the Galamsey no omo anka so omo national executive atiesi mo omo ye Galamsey about attorney general the ababe to say Joseph Yami and omo first vice chairman abanga they are indulged in Galamsey and they cause wo mamua. Let's move to the issue. Jets. You see, Ghana hanum adia ba kwa say Yewura Ibrahim Mahama ti ase say President Mahama onye na japade o. President Mahama enye Ibrahim Mahama na japade. President Mahama as we speak eye Ghana japade. Eye wo man no na ese ye bɔ no ho bai enye Ibrahim Mahama. It is Ibrahim Mahama Ghana Eromas wo sika nyina wo wiase no ma won fa na asem ma President Mahama so because ni nua no a wo ye president first. It is ni nua asem na dan che kra wo baby. It is a wakwa akoto private jet. Use private jet and for your president ma metwitwim. Na asem a ye kan say enye interesting. Say every time be a President John Dramani Mahama be a president wo kromo a and Ibrahim Mahama to private jet. Ya be kon say ya metro makasa mame ma information. No, wo ka there be a na tell wo doubt masam na make no.
Private jets now what to sisia no otono February year 2024.
Enya no kure. Oputu in me pacho and then me call February 20. Enya no kure obi okasa bi aboa President Ibrahim President sub president Ibrahim Mahama
or sub
president so ka prime minister say akoye prime minister e Ghana
said na NDC
say no mo ka kire Gabi so na prime minister no me say assistant president Ibrahim Mahama so he president free one mo on na wo say it will catch them say auto private jet 20 February enya nukro bi okasa bi aboa because for details ni nyina amra ne yete ya on be catch ye ne say oputu in so obeto jet no 2022 and wo yes so auto jet ne ba 2025 7th March 2025 obi okasa February bi oboa ma hu say senior man usu ni ti say nya nukro oboa opa for document ni nyina amra na ye nhwe say na wote kromu a February wote say 2024 wote wo kromu a say Ibrahim Mahama to private jet why na ti wo kromu a what to private jet 2012 ebe ye news em obi ahu say what to private jet na say 2024 auto private jet a kianti wo kromu a ma obi a ma meye gymnastics bia mekoba bibia say auto private jet no 2024 enya no kura da na private jet na auto ye no almost president na ekọ ba bia e say president ni nani ha kura o se besen mi enko ye wo private jet ye enko ni enko ji ye nimra na wo the private jet na mani nua na wo de akwa ji nani me ne wo kasa yi almost say ade a ye to egu jet nu no plane nu no fuel meboa abochi fuel ni ye togu mu a ye de koba ni nyina asa wom fuel na asa wo plane nu mu ana
na wo de sa cost no e de toto se anko bokoko renti jet ide tu kwan a you don't feel say ni nua jet no use na better
presidential jet na way ayedai presidential jet na Ghana ye jet na ayedai and you want to catch there, say presidential jet, no, and you fit for purpose. The best say, I just say 2035, and you want to carry in opposition. It's your presidential jet is this year, no, and why?
Ben, the NSC for
it's fit for purpose.
I mean, take it.
And I say, yes, say, beer. They say, say, you should move ye. I say, ye. So because of private jet, no, our president used to know, and one person wanted that my ma, Nimiana, the SSC, you should move ye. It's in a minority. At the cost right.
Yeah, him pon all Ghana ha.
Oh, why?
Now say it too.
For 2-4 to cost me boni dia, me bomi mu asemano. And fanu me tucham.
Mami na se, mami pick course. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Yeah, be ba job ho na wana me ne ka say. Eben wada ba inti why.
Mami bomi ni ma ka fi abatu akata pa na ko komishina na mi sha ni yo na bo ni ma fi bi ni ni na in ka mi chema ni se o ma ni ke di wa na na bo di yo je bra ni abochi o ni se MP form go mo ni ma ti o ti ti ganja me yo ro ti yo ni bi tanu one ni mi se Ibrahim Mahama or business tycoon in this country this and say the former de facto prime minister Gabriel Shidaku now information center Katama ni bra I work with no be na Benjamin Yanu mami no be and me go so na get you want no ye
me bato and beside the question kawasam na
radio station TV station 5 star no information center can do this also you care about na tare ba this case that na okita na me catch you what you need every 5-star TV station na opia Ibrahim Mama or no Ibrahim Mama
me bato ye dey see from why hello good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Abochi.
Yeah, me bato wana me ne ka say
only about a Ajana one because of the Kwabina
Ajana one yet you
yeah baba this is a real communicator. If you are a Catholic, which is yes, indeed, it can be barrister, the body of us, the chairman, Osman, and everything. Sir, I can you pray a Jennifer. 7. The movie, Baba, president, whoever I am about, like the status, like the Japanese war, about Penny Ganga. And then to follow all the president. You come up to the Agony, but they are with you. What that is? If you are not saying, I mean, you're not able to say, but also about Krasia. They need to be semi incorporated a district by
Ajana one. Now, Usi Unigabi Nedikuku. Oh, Java, hello, good evening. I don't know.
President Mama, every president here, and then you have to look at the more they say you're a plain or to make sure they say you're good. Or what part of that tank, hey, Ghana Sika, boy, okay, you could pop a show, okay, you could pop a show. Never know more. Because they give me a poor the president and I look at which one, who police can know Ghana. Oh, boy,
Midasi. Hello, good evening. Hello. Oh, Bacho, Ujina line so. Hello. Hello. All right, Mami Fakola. Hello, good evening. Yeah, me Bacho wana menene kasi.
Well, yeah, I sorry when you call Bukuro this year. Now, what is it?
Me Bacho me hoye now so.
Nyampo pa me hoye pa. Me fancy akase ma incoming national chairman Europe ABOTCHIE Ejako. Na organizer na nabi. Oba domi kwa benye ya sase a wotisi ya. If you ready Isaac and you don't have furniture Mike, or no yet neighbor MPP or chairman and a mammy soldier. Uni ABOTCHIE and Cardia Nurse say Ghana need businessman. Etinya top free. And Etinya ye BB. Nigeria businessmen or then now said the contract. I've been born here what politician need between NDC for me ya kwa yese keje tia kromfo debia wa tikitin please wa bo twan kata min kebi no bia nyabotre
wo debi twenfen wo si keje tia kromfo eya mo twitwi pimpinis
me ya dia kuma am say keje tia kromfo no ba tikitin please no kuta briefcase no two bottom the moment obenwu so obi so address na office say ni planning so two bottom in the game to make a tie. That's why I'm not done for the better community.
Yeah.